You must answer quickly, don't waste the time. Let's have the recapitulation of the previous part that we read, and then we'll continue with the next part. Yes, let's start from the Yagya Soni. Yagya Soni, roll number 31.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What is the theme or the message conveyed by the writer by giving us this story?
There are a family of birds.
Yes.
There is a family of birds. One of them bird is afraid of
Beta, I'm
flying.
not asking the summary or the story. I'm asking about the message or the theme. इस स्टोरी से हमें राइटर क्या मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहता है?
That everyone can fly.
Yes.
That everyone can fly.
Everyone can fly. This is the message. You can fly. You can fly. No, this is not the message, बेटा. मैसेज क्या होता है कि हमें राइटर जो है ये स्टोरी देने का उसका पर्पस क्या है, हमें वो क्या टीच करना चाहता है, कि हमें जिंदगी में कोई लेसन सीखना है इस चैप्टर को पढ़ने के बाद. यस देवांश. Devansh, please mention your roll numbers also along with your names. Those who have not done, mention your roll number and section, both things with your name. Yes, Devansh. Rick Bajaj.
The theme of this writer wants to convey the message that anyone can achieve anything if we are determined and we have confidence on us, and to overcome our fears we should try to be determined towards our goals, and be courageous and be confident that we can achieve it.
Yes, we
And
must try, we must make efforts to achieve our goal. Only then we will be able to overcome the feeling of fear in our mind, the doubts in our mind. If we work for that, if we try for that, if we don't try, we will not be able to overcome the feeling of fear. जब तक आप efforts नहीं करोगे, तब तक कोशिश नहीं करोगे किसी काम को भी करने की, उतनी देर आप उस काम को करोगे कैसे? काम करोगे तो पता चलेगा कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Then you will try to solve that problem with the help of others. ठीक है? So this chapter conveys a very useful message to us. The message is that we should never allow fear to overcome us. हमें कभी भी fear को, डर की भावना को अपने ऊपर हावी नहीं होने देना चाहिए. ओवर पावर ना करे हमें कभी भी fear, ऐसा हमें सोचना चाहिए. And if we remain fearful, we lag behind. अगर हम डर से भरे रहते हैं, हमेशा हमारे मन में किसी काम के लिए डर रहता है, तो we lag behind. We cannot move forward. We cannot gain confidence. Because sometimes fear may prove to be fatal. कई बार वो डर की फीलिंग जो है वो भयानक भी हो सकती है. Whenever we face any kind of fearful situation, we should take courage and take the first step forward. कोशिश करनी चाहिए, हमें स्टेप आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए. If we move forward, we soon overcome fear. And this is what the young seagull in the story experiences. We have seen that he's afraid of flying. However, once he comes out of his nest, his fear is gone, and he gains confidence and succeeds in his efforts. So success comes to those who overcome all fears and move ahead. This is the final and theme or the message which the writer wants to convey, that success only comes to those who overcome all type of fears and they move ahead. Okay. Now coming to the next question, Archana beta. Archana.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
While on the ledge, how did the little seagull try to draw the attention of his family? While on the ledge, जब वो ledge पर था seagull, तो अपनी family का attention वो कैसे अपनी तरफ draw करता है, खींचता है?
While on the ledge, the seagull tries to catch the attention of his family members by placing one of his legs up and closing one eye after the other. But when he saw that no one was looking at him or giving him attention, then he pretended to sleep and show that he was all right without flying, and he didn't need to fly to be uh, good.
Yes. While on the brink of the ledge, he stood on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing. He closed one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep to try to draw the attention of his family. Here, next question, Manraj Singh, 10th Blue. No roll number is mentioned. Archana beta, आपका ठीक है. Some students have not mentioned their roll number. Manraj, okay, 16 roll number, 10th Blue. Yes. Yes, beta, respond. Are you ready? You all have to answer now. Only then your marks for the subject enrichment can be given. If you don't answer, you will be the loser. Manraj, you have to answer, beta. जैसा भी आपके mind में समझ आ रहा है question, उसके accordingly answer दिए. Please come with the reading of the chapter. पढ़ के आया करो. Only then you can be able to answer. Manraj, are you going to? No. Lavanya, beta, don't waste time for that. You should be ready.
Yes,
Lavanya
ma'am.
Sharma. Yes, beta. Your question is, why was the young seagull alone on his ledge? Why was the young seagull alone on his ledge?
The young seagull was alone on his ledge because his whole family had gone to fly and catch their fishes. But the young seagull was unable to fly, so he was alone at the ledge.
Why he was unable to fly?
Because he was fearful.
Yes,
and he thought that his wings
he had fear. This should be mentioned. The young seagull was alone on his ledge as his two brothers and his sister had already flown away. He himself was afraid to fly with them as he feared the long stretch of sea and its depth. He could not muster his courage to take flight. Okay. Next question. Kavya Kaushal. Kavya Kaushal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Your question is, what training did the young seagull's parents give to his brothers and sister? What training did the young seagull's parents give to his brothers and sisters? क्या ट्रेनिंग दी थी उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसके ब्रदर्स और सिस्टर को? What they were teaching them? क्या सिखा रहे थे पेरेंट्स उनको? No answer. मालविका. मालविका बेटा. Same question. मालविका.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम वो मालविका का माइक खराब हुआ पड़ा है, उसने मुझे मैसेज किया था कल के
Okay.
उसको अगर कोई आंसर देने को कहे
Okay,
तो.
okay. प्रणय चड्डा. प्रणय चड्डा. Yes, बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, parents of young seagull were giving the training of flying to his brothers and sisters as they were making them prepare for future so that they can find their food themselves.
Flying में कैसी प्रैक्टिस दे रहे थे वो उनको? Particular something is mentioned. Flying के साथ साथ और कैसी particular training दी जा रही थी उनको कोई? The seagull's parents flew about with his brothers and sisters and they were perfecting them in the art of flight, teaching them how to skim the waves and how to dive for fish. The parents saw with satisfaction their young ones making efforts and catching fish for food. They were happy that their children were trying, they were making their efforts. Okay. Next question, Devishi. Devishi, beta. Yes, beta. Your question is, why did the seagull's family mock at young one? Why did the seagull's family mock? M-O-C-K. Mock क्या होता है? Make fun of. मजाक उड़ाना उसका. हंस रहे थे उसके ऊपर. Why? Yes, Devishi, beta, are you going to answer? Be quick in response. Yes. Pushkar, beta. Yes, Devishi. Yes, Devishi.
Please repeat the question.
Just wait, beta. Wait. Pushkar, beta, wait. Devishi is going to answer. Why did the seagull's family mock at the young one?
The seagull's family mocked at the young seagull because he was not able to fly, and his parents felt that he was stupid because he was afraid of flying and he was not even trying.
Yes, though the seagull's two brothers and sisters were comfortable in their flight after being trained by their parents, the seagull himself failed to shed his diffidence or his fear. He was terribly scared of the sea, so he became the object of mocking with his family for his failure to go with them. उसकी family के लिए वो एक मजाक का कारण बन गए due to that feeling of fear. Next, Pushkar beta, describe what
Yes,
the
ma'am.
coward seagull saw his family members doing.
Ma'am,
Describe. Yes.
the seagull saw that his family members were flying, and his parents were teaching his parents were teaching his brothers and sisters to fly, and how to catch a fish, and also perfecting him. And he shows a fear on flying. He doesn't. His parents were encouraging
Yes,
his
if we are to
parents
ask
were
about
also
the,
tried to teach him, but he has fearless. He has fear to fly.
yes, this is the beginning part if you go accordingly. But if particularly it is added, what did the coward seagull see his family member doing at the night time? At the night time. एंड वाला होगा, फिर कैसे आंसर लोगे? आशीष कपूर. आशीष कपूर, यस बेटा. Describe the scene at the end. Ashish.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, actually, I was not well from the past 3 days. So,
Okay.
I
Okay, no problem. Arsh Sood, please read the chapter so that you can have link with the story. Arsh Sood. Arsh Sood, beta, please unmute yourself. Arsh Sood. तो खुशदीप कौर. खुशदीप, ऐसे बेटा आप टाइम वेस्ट करते हो. Quickly, you should be ready with.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Explain the scene at the night time. Pushkar has given the scene
At
in
the
the
night-
beginning. Yes.
At the night time, the baby seagull saw his two brothers and sisters lying on the plateau, sleeping with their heads sunk into their necks, and his father was preening his feathers, and only his mother was watching him.
Yes, the coward seagull saw his brothers and sister dozing with their beaks sunk into their necks. His father was preening the feathers on his white back. Only his mother was looking at him, and she would tear a piece of fish and scrape each side of her beak on the rock. Now, next question is for Hriday Bhalla. Hriday Bhalla. Quickly unmute yourself, beta. Tirdev Bhalla or Himanshi. Himanshi, 39 roll number. Yes, Priyanka. Priyanka, please unmute yourself. 10th view, Priyanka. Beta, in this way, you people are wasting the time. Irfan Ansari. There is a line given. Irfan. No one is ready. Please raise your hands who are ready. Again and again, the same students will come, then you will be losing in your subject enrichment. Parneet Kaur Sodhi. Yes, Preet Kaur. Preet Kaur. Yes, beta. You're raising hand. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, the line is, the sight of the food maddened him. The sight of the food maddened him. Who is he or him in these lines?
He refers to the young seagull.
Why was he angry?
He was angry because he hadn't eaten anything from the previous night, because he was punished by his parents because he couldn't fly.
Yes. And what does this suggest?
He was not trying to fly.
What does this suggest? इससे क्या suggestion मिलती है हमें? क्या पता चलता है उसके अंदर से कि क्या problem थी? He felt an intense desire for food. It suggests his desperation. उसकी निराशा, उसकी उदासी जो थी वो पता चल रही थी हमें. ठीक है? Okay. Now let's come to the rest of the part. First we'll finish that part and then we'll continue with the rest of the questions. Let me share the screen.
मैम आप म्यूट हो.
Ma'am, your
You are
Ma'am, you
microphone
are
is off.
muted.
So we have read page 35 from the beginning, and we have seen that now Seagull was maddened with hunger, and with a loud scream he fell outward, downward into the space, and then for one moment, a minute, he was feeling terror, the feeling of terror, that means strong feeling of fear was uh, seized him, and the wind rushed against his breast feathers, then under his stomach and against his wings. So he was trying to make a balance. He could feel the tips of his wings cutting through the air, and he was not falling headlong now. Quickly, he made the balance and he felt that he would not fall down. He was soaring gradually downwards and outwards, was no longer afraid. He just felt a bit dizzy. For one moment, he felt dizzy, feeling of uncomfortable, as if having spinning. Then he flapped his wings once and he soared upwards, singing as usual the song or the sound ga 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 kola. His mother swooped past. Mother was also giving the same sound of happiness and her wings making a loud noise. He answered her with another scream. Then his father flew over him, screaming, and looking at this, father also felt very happy and he also came flowing there and shouting, he saw his two brothers and sisters flying around him, curveting and banking and soaring and diving. And the brothers and sisters, they also came flying around him, and they all were leaping like a horse. That means showing their happiness. Banking means flying with one wing higher than the other. जैसे एक टांग के ऊपर आप कई बार डांस करते हो just to express your happiness in the same way. And soaring and diving, that means going upward high in the sky and making dives or jumps. Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. और उसके बाद when he saw that all the family members were very happy and they were appreciating him, they were motivating him, and he made his balance. There was no fear in his mind. He completely forgot that he had always been able to fly, कि वो कभी भी उड़ने की कोशिश नहीं उड़ रहा था. He had not always been able to fly. वो able नहीं था उड़ने के लिए, and commended himself to dive, to soar and curve, shrieking shrilly. And now he was commended here means just feeling good. अपने आप में वो appreciate कर रहा था अपने आप को कि वो कैसे dive कर पा रहा था. soar means ऊंचा उड़ रहा था, and curve लेते हुए, turn लेते हुए, shrieking shrilly. Shrieking means crying, shrilly means loudly. ऊंची आवाज में वो चिल्लाते हुए अपनी खुशी जो थी वो प्रकट कर रहा था. That now he was able to fly. So the line is clear, I think. Whoever has asked, some student asked this line. He was near the sea now, flying straight over it. Now he was near the sea and was flying over the sea. Sea के ऊपर वो उड़ रहा था, facing straight out over the ocean, जो कि direct ocean के ऊपर था. He saw a vast green sea beneath him with little ridges moving over it. देखा उसने कि बहुत बड़ा green sea जो था वो विशाल, vast means big in size, नीचे था, and with little ridges moving over it. And he turned his beak sideways and called amusedly. अपने beak को उसने दूसरी तरफ मोड़ा, and he started shouting. Called means उसने अपनी sound निकाली. Amusedly means in a very entertaining way, in a very happy mood. बड़ी खुशी के साथ उसने अपनी आवाज जो थी निकाली. Because now he was flying over the sea, vast green sea, with little ridges. Ridges means long area on the top of a mountain or hill. पहाड़ी के ऊपर जो बहुत बड़ा एरिया होता है, आसपास वो ridges हैं और बहुत बड़ा समुंदर है, जिससे कि वो डर रहा था. But now he was flying straight over that sea and was feeling very happy and started cawing. Sound created by seagull, ga ga ga. That was the very entertaining and musical sound was created, and that showed his happiness. His parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green flooring ahead of him. उसके brother, sister और उसके parents, that means all the family members, they had all landed on the green floor ahead of him. मतलब उससे पहले they were beckoning to him. Beckoning means calling him. उसको बुला रहे थे. Calling shrilly, calling loudly. ऊंचे ऊंचे आवाजें लगाकर अपने sound में they were calling him, beckoning him, calling him. He dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. His legs sank into it. अब उसने green sea में अपनी टांगे जो थी इसको डुबोया और वहां खड़े होने की कोशिश करी. His legs sank into it. उसकी legs जो थी वो अंदर धंस गई. He screamed with fright, और एकदम से फिर डर की feeling उसके मन में आई, and he shouted with fright here means feeling of fear, and attempted to rise again, flapping his wings, और अपने wings को flap करते हुए एक बार फिर से उड़ने की ऊपर उठने की कोशिश करी. But he was tired and weak with hunger, and he could not rise. But he could not rise because he was feeling very much tired, because he had not eaten since last 24 hours anything. So he was feeling very weak with hunger and he could not rise, exhausted by strange exercise, because this was the strange exercise for him which he had done now, because earlier he was never in the habit of flying. तो इसके लिए ये एक नई और strange exercise थी with which he was feeling exhausted and tired. Moreover, he was hungry. His feet sank into the green sea, and then his belly touched it, and he sank no farther. और क्या हुआ, एकदम से उसके feet जो थे वो green sea के अंदर धंस जाते हैं. sank means dipped into, and then his belly touched it. उसका पेट, उसकी belly जो थी उसको touch करती है, and he sank no further. उसके बाद वो नीचे नहीं और ज़्यादा sink नहीं हुआ. He was floating on it. उसके ऊपर तैर रहा था. And around him, his family was screaming, praising him, and their beaks were offering him scraps of dog fish. And all the members of the family, they were shouting, screaming means shouting, praising him. उसकी praise कर रहे थे, appreciate कर रहे थे उसके efforts को, and they were offering him the food from their beaks, the scraps of dog fish के जो टुकड़े उनकी बीक में थे उसको ऑफर कर रहे थे, because he was hungry. He had made his first flight. So in this way he had made his first flight, and he was successful in making his first flight, doing this efforts. So in this way, it is with the motivation of the parents. Parents were cruel to him so that he could learn, and sometimes we have to be cruel to be kind. ठीक है कि अगर हम कई बार कुछ सिखाना चाहते हैं बच्चों को, तो पेरेंट्स उसके लिए अगर इजीली बच्चा उस चीज को फॉलो नहीं करता, तो दे हैव टू बी हार्ड एंड हार्श फॉर दैट. So we should not mind for that. So in this way we have finished with the chapter. Please come with the reading of this chapter so that we can discuss the questions given at the back and find out the answers also. Okay, now let's have discussion of some of the more questions, and some other students should also get the turn. Riya Chadda. Riya Chadda, beta, please unmute yourself. Riddhi, yes, beta. Please keep yourself mute. Irfan, if you are not to answer, keep yourself mute. Yes, Riddhi, beta. Riddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Listen the question carefully. What made the young seagull finally fly? What made the young seagull finally fly? What motivated him to take this flight? Yes. Mehak Prabhakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The young seagull flew because his mother had picked up a piece of fish and was flying across to him with it. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted, her wings motionless, the piece of fish in her beak almost within reach of his beak, and he waited a moment in surprise, wondering why she did not come nearer, and then, maddened by her hunger, he dived at the fish. With a loud scream, he fell outward and downward into space. Then a monstrous terror seized him and his heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a minute. The next moment he felt his wings spread outwards.
Beta, try to be brief and original. Convert the language of the book in your own words. Okay, idea is correct, but you should use simple language according to your understanding. Use the original, your own language. Don't copy as it is and read the same lines from the book. Your idea is okay, but you should convert it into, okay. What motivated or made the young seagull finally fly? The young seagull was terribly hungry, and the mother took a piece of fish in her mouth. She came very close to the seagull. In an attempt to catch the piece of fish, the seagull fell out of the ledge, and now he had to make efforts to fly. So in a way, it was his hunger and the mother's clever trick that taught him to take flight. उसकी मदर ने एक ट्रिक लिया था कि वो खाना उसको दिखाएगी, जिससे कि वो मोटिवेट होकर कोशिश करेगा उड़ने की. उसके सामने खड़ी हो जाती है खाना लेकर, just to motivate him, because he was having feeling of fear, and to remove that feeling of fear, she just motivated and she thought this trick. So this was the feeling of hunger of seagull and the trick that was taken by mother just to motivate him. to take this flight, and this motivated him, and he tried and was successful to have this first flight. Okay, so please come with the reading and find out the questions given at the back for discussion tomorrow. Okay.